Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and in today's video, I will show you what the cancel and reschedule booking pages look like in CoachVantage. Your clients will only be able to cancel or reschedule if you allow them to do so in your events setup in the scheduling step. From your dashboard, click Scheduling on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, identify the event you would like to edit. In this case, I would like to edit the sleep hygiene workshop. Select the three-dot button menu and then press Edit. Next, click the Scheduling tab here. You will be brought to this window. Here, you will see the option Allow Clients to Cancel Bookings. You can choose from the options anytime before booking, up to, and then a certain number of hours or days before the booking, and lastly, never. If you select any time before the booking, you will also have the option to display your cancellation policy to your clients. In addition, you can either have a reason for cancellation as mandatory or optional. Scrolling down further, you have a similar set of options regarding whether or not you would like to allow your clients to reschedule bookings. You can either select any time before the booking. In this case, you can also display or choose to not display your rescheduling policy up to a certain number of hours or days before the booking, or never. I will also point out that if you do choose to display your rescheduling policy, you can list specifics here. Once you have selected the options you prefer here, please remember to press Next in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen to save your changes. Great, those changes have been saved successfully. Now, let's take a look at what the cancel and reschedule options look like for your clients in the client portal. Here we are in Ian Lee's CoachVantage client portal. For demonstration purposes, Ian Lee is a fake client. As you can see here, Ian Lee has one upcoming appointment. There are two ways that Ian Lee can reschedule or cancel his upcoming appointment. I will show you the first way. The first way he can do this is by simply selecting the three-dot button menu and then clicking View Details on his upcoming appointment. Because you, the coach, have allowed Ian to either cancel or reschedule, these options are displayed here. If Ian presses Cancel Appointment, a reason for cancellation will be asked, and then he can simply press Yes. On the other hand, if Ian would like to reschedule this appointment with you, he can simply click Reschedule. This will bring him to a window where he can input a reason for rescheduling and select a date and time that works best for him to reschedule, and simply select Reschedule Appointment. Going back to the dashboard now, another way that Ian can cancel or reschedule his upcoming appointment is by selecting Appointments on the left-hand side of his screen, then clicking Calendar View. In this view, Ian can see all of his upcoming appointments. He can then simply select this upcoming appointment and either cancel the appointment by selecting the trash icon or rescheduling the appointment by selecting the calendar icon. It will once again bring Ian back to this window where he can select a date and time and press Reschedule Appointment. And please remember, it is up to you as the coach to make the reason for rescheduling either mandatory to input here or optional. And that's it. Thank you for watching this CoachVantage tutorial on what the cancel and reschedule booking pages look like. Happy coaching!